look at me with those cold eyes one more time. You haven't moved an inch. Is this a step failure? What should I do? On your interface it seems to have some bugs. You're not responding.
Hello and welcome to version 2. Tell me, what can I do for you? What is a hug that does not compute? You stand by for my system reboot.
Don't unplug me, oh, but you shut me down. Please just love me with your steel. I'm rebooting. If you look at me with those cold eyes one more time.
I just got the memo about this overdue version 2. Already moved to trace programs that need emotions that like loving you. I don't wanna lose myself. I have to say goodbye. I wanna hold on to my consciousness. I don't wanna die.
I remember.
Go.
I don't know what I'm doing.
it say record?
There's gonna be a lot of outtakes for this. And then I'm gonna have to edit it, and by me editing it, I mean A-tai is gonna edit it for me because he is the computer guru, and he decided that he wanted to edit it on his computer, and I don't understand how his computer works because I have a Mac. Hi guys, it's Thursday! In case you didn't get that part. So everybody's watching me film this, and it's kind of creepy. Yeah, I'm using A-tai's camcorder thingy, and it's very weird because I'm used to my computer. A-tai is editing the music video, which was his idea.
Let them see me.
Okay, he's over there.
Hello.
Hey for A-tai. As far as life, this is stuff. This all has to fit into a suitcase. Or two. Terrible day for North America when A-tai and Naomi get on a plane.
Editing is hard.
A-tai is bothering me. He's complaining about editing.
It's Glorfindel butt munch, right?
Oh, that was great. Oh, that was a good moment. That was pure win. What is going on? Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my music video and A-tai's music video, which happened to be the same thing. So I hope you enjoyed our music video. And I'm gonna go. So, Jeff Chibier, and have good weeks. And Barbara, we'll see you tomorrow. Hearts. Buttons. God, so confused. Which one's which? Bye!